Welcome to this Selenium WebDriver tutorial on alerts in Selenium WebDriver and how to handle alerts in Selenium Java. Now, what is an alert? An alert is a message box that pops up on the web page. This may happen when you fill a form and you get a message about a required field. The browser then shifts the focus to the alert window. You will not be able to continue until you handle the alert. I will show you examples of alerts. There are three types of JavaScript pop-ups or alerts. These are alerts, confirms, and prompts. For handling the three types of alerts in Selenium, you need to understand them. You can Google software testing space and go to my blog. There is a demo web page for testing. Click on this link, and here I have created three buttons for alert, confirm, and prompt. So alert pop-up in Selenium. So this is the simplest. So once I click on it, it shows the alert with information. It has some text and an OK button. You can dismiss the alert in Selenium by clicking on the OK button. And the web page also shows that you click the OK button. Next is confirm. Confirmation in Selenium has some text but has two buttons, OK and cancel. How to handle confirmation pop-up in Selenium WebDriver? First of all, you can get the text. Then you can click on the OK button to accept the confirm. So I clicked on OK, it said confirmed. Or you can click the cancel button to dismiss the confirmation box in Selenium. And the web page also says that you click the cancel button. This web page also has a prompt button that shows the prompt alert. Now prompt alert has a text input field. For handling alert in Selenium, you can input some text in it. For example, I can put my name in it. In Selenium software, you can click the OK button to submit your text. Let me click OK. Another possibility is that you can click the cancel button, which does not submit your text. So I am going to type in the same text here, but this time click on the cancel button. So the web page says you cancelled the prompt. Handling alerts in Selenium WebDriver. Now let me tell you the actual commands in Selenium with Java. For Selenium alert handling, that means alerts or pop-ups handling in Selenium, the getText method gets the text message that you see in the alert. The accept method clicks the OK button of alerts pop-ups in Selenium. Confirmation Selenium can be accepted or dismissed by clicking the OK button or cancel button respectively. The send keys method inputs text to the prompt alert in Selenium WebDriver. Now, like the confirm, the prompt alert can also be accepted or dismissed by clicking the OK button or cancel button. Let me show you how to handle alerts in Selenium using MaxTAF, the free Selenium framework using Java. I created a free account in MaxTAF and I am logging in now. I click on the project. If there is no project, I have to create a project and then click on cases. Now here I can click on the create button to create a new test case. I have to give the name of the case, so I'm going to call it alert case and choose the template as Selenium Hello World. So it fills it up with some sample code and click on the create button. Now MaxTAF has created the case. I can click on the script tab and here in the script I have to remove the extra code here. I'll put my own code here. Now the first thing I need to do is to navigate to the website, so I can copy this link and paste it here in driver.get. Now I have to find out the alert button. So right click on the alert and click on the inspect button, and this button has an ID of alert, so I can double click on it, right click and copy. Now I can start the code. So first I have to find this web element, and I'm going to call it alert button. Web element alert button is equal to driver dot find element by, I'm going to use the ID because that is what I copied from there, and within brackets I have to give the ID that I just copied and put a semicolon. I found this button. Now I need to click it. So alert button dot click method. Now the important thing is how to handle alert in Selenium. Now the simple way is to declare an alert, and I'm going to call it A is equal to driver dot switch to dot alert. Now the problem with this statement is that in case the alert has not appeared when this line is executed by Java, then it is going to give the element not found. So better way is to use explicit wait. So I'm going to just comment out this line. Now in order to use explicit wait, I have to write a couple of import statements. So I go to the top where the import statements are and write import org dot openqa dot selenium dot support dot UI dot WebDriver wait. That is one import statement. I have to write another import statement which is import org dot openqa dot selenium dot support dot UI dot expected conditions. Now I can use WebDriver wait. So here first of all I have to create WebDriver wait variable. So the type is going to be WebDriver wait, and I'm just going to call the variable as W is equal to new WebDriver wait, and here I have to give the driver variable and a timeout. So I want Selenium to wait until a maximum of 30 seconds until the alert appears. So this will take care of the element not found problem. Then I can write the alert as usual. Alert A is equal to WebDriver wait dot until expected conditions dot alert is present. So it is going to wait until the alert is present and it will put that reference to the variable a. Now a single line comment again. Find the text of alerts in Selenium. So for that I can use the MaxTAF MX service, and because I want to show the code for alert, confirmation and prompt, I don't want to repeat the code, so I'm going to create a Java method for that, and I'm going to call the Java method as log text. So that is going to be outside the test method. Write the Java method, which is private void. Void means it is not going to return anything, and I am going to call it log text, and it is going to have a couple of parameters. The first parameter is going to be the popup type, and the second parameter is going to be the popup box, so which is of the type alert that I already showed above. So these are just variable names, popup type and popup box, and then I have to put curly braces, and within that I can put the add log line. So MaxTAF has built in MX service which has a method called add log line, and here I want to log what is the popup type, and box text is equal to and whatever is the popup box dot get text method. So what this is going to do is it is just going to add one line in the log which contains the text, whatever text is there in the popup. Now I have defined the method. Defined the method means that I have written the method. Now I can use it. So I am going to call the method log text, and here what is the popup type? I am going to give popup type as alert. This is a simple alert, the simplest one, and the variable is a. I want to run it now, so save it and compile it. Now I can run it from here or I can run it from the main tab, but the advantage of running it from the main tab is that it maximizes the video. So let me run it from here and click on the run button. Selenium testing. MaxTAF has started the case and it is showing the video. It should navigate to the page, and in the log I can see that it is alert box and the text is coming as this is an alert. Now let me go back to go to case and click on the script tab again. Now I have shown you how to handle the simple alert. Now let me show you how to handle the confirm. So first of all I have to find the confirm button. So here let me click on this arrow and click on the confirm, and here it says the button ID is confirmed. So double click on it, right click and copy, and now I have to write the code for the confirm. So web element confirm button is equal to driver dot find element by ID, and within brackets the ID is confirm. Now obviously I have to click it now. So confirm button dot click method. Now let me show you the code for handling confirmation in Selenium. So just as I used explicit wait, I am going to create a variable C for the confirm alert. Alert C is equal to WebDriver wait dot until, same code, expected conditions dot alert is present. So it is going to wait up to a maximum of 30 seconds to get the alert. Now next I need to get the text in confirmation box in Selenium. So for that I've already written the Java method log text, and it is a confirm, and the actual alert is in the C variable. Now next I need to handle it. So I'm going to put a single line comment how to handle pop-up in Selenium WebDriver using Java. So I can accept the confirmation, C dot accept, and now I want to do the validation. Now for validation I need to write another method because it's going to be similar for the three types of alerts. So I can create a Java method called handle result, private void handle result, and I just want to have a single parameter which I am going to call as validation text, and put curly braces. Now I can write or define this method. I am going to write Selenium WebDriver with Java code, and I want to get the result message that is coming in that web page. So for that I'm going to create a variable result message is equal to, and this is what I want to get. So here the ID is result. So double click, right click and copy. The string result message is equal to driver dot find element by ID, and the ID is result dot, and I can use get text here also in order to get whatever text is there in that div. Now let me log this using this same mx service dot add log line, and the result message is equal to the above string result message. Now I have to do the validation. Now for validation I am going to check whether the result message contains this validation text or not. So if it contains, then it means it is OK, the test is going to pass. So write a Java if statement, and if statement condition has to be given within brackets. If result message dot index of validation text greater than or equal to 0, that means it is present somewhere, then I can use the JUnit which is built into it. Assert dot assert equals, and I'm going to pass it. So true and true. Else I'm going to fail it. So let me copy this assert from here and paste it here, and here true comma false. So expected value is true and actual value is false, so that is going to fail the test. Now I've written handle result. So after handling the first alert, I can use this Java method also. So handle result, and the validation text, I want that alert should be present there. And then in confirmation, I can use the same method. That is the advantage of writing a method. I can write it once and use multiple times, and here I want that confirm should be written. One other thing I need to do is, in the simple alert, after I log the text, I have to handle the alert also. So how to handle alerts in Selenium? So for the simple alert, that can only be accepted. So a dot accept, and now the code is complete. So let me save it and compile it, and I'm going to run it from the main tab. So click on main and click on the run button and run again. Selenium automation testing. MaxTAF has started the case execution. And here let me see in the log. So first it clicked on the alert button. So alert box text said this is an alert, and line number 2 in the log is coming from handle result method. So the result message is alert, you click the OK button. Then line number 3, confirm box log text has put please confirm your action, and the result message is confirmed, you click the OK button. Click on go to case and click on the script tab. Now there are two possibilities in the confirm box. One is to accept it and the other is to dismiss it by clicking on the cancel button. So let me try with confirm dot dismiss and save it and run it. And this time in the log for the confirmation box, it should say something else, that you clicked on the cancel button. So this is the log, and in the line number 4 the result message is not confirmed, and it says you clicked the cancel button. So close the run details. Now there is also a prompt, so let me write the code for that. So again I have to find that prompt button on the web page. So web element prompt button is equal to driver dot find element, and here also the ID is present, and I'm going to copy it by dot ID, and the ID is prompt that I just copied. Then prompt button dot click method. Now here the code starts for the prompt alert. Alert, I'm going to call this variable as p for prompt is equal to WebDriver wait dot until same expected conditions dot alert is present, and this time use the log text, and the pop-up type is prompt, and the pop-up box, the actual alert is p. Next I need to handle it, so I'm going to put a comment handling pop-ups in Selenium. Now here I have to provide the input to the prompt, so let me create a string username is equal to, I'm going to just put my name, you can put your name or any name, then prompt dot send keys username. This is going to send the string. Then prompt dot accept and handle result, and this time for the validation text I want to make sure that the username is present in the prompt alert, whatever username was typed by the user. So let me save it now and compile it. The case is compiled. I'm going to run it. Click the run button. And the case is complete. Now in the log I can see that line number 1, this is an alert, you click the OK button, and in confirm it is not confirmed because that is given as c.dismiss, and prompt box text was please enter your name, and the result message contained OK, and the name is there. Now another possibility is that I don't submit it, so instead of accept, another possibility is to give dismiss. So dismiss is not going to submit the text, so let me save it now and compile it and run it. MaxTAF has started the case execution. And it has failed the case. Why? Because the result message is cancelled. So the assertion has failed. So let me convert it back to accept. The prompt dot accept and save it, compile it and run it. In the log, it says that the result message is okay. The name was submitted. So I hope that you learned how to handle alerts in Selenium automation testing with this Selenium tutorial. Please view all my Selenium tutorials in this Selenium training. Like this Selenium Java tutorial, you will learn Selenium easily with these Selenium videos that start from Selenium tutorial for beginners. Thank you.